Hello students, we are discussing the question number 3. The question number 3 is this type. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. What is that? The equations are in terms of fractions. They are given it. X minus 1 by x is equals to 3 where x is not equals to 0. What we are doing? First of all, this equation we have to bring it back in the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Then we should see that whether we can get the factors, or else if you won't get the factors, we have to use the formula method. This is the given question. X minus 1 by x is equals to 3. This we need to cross it like this: x into x square minus of 1 divided by x, which is equals to 3. Or else one more method is there. We can take divided by 1, then 1 and x, LCM is x, then 1 x is r, then x 1 is r. Like this also you can do it. Then this x, I will shift it to this side. It becomes x square minus of 1, which is equals to 3x. Now this is not in the standard form. Bring it back to the standard form. This becomes x square minus 3x minus of 1, which is equals to 0. Now if you search the factors, you will not get the factors, because 1x square will be there, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 will come, 1 minus 1, 0 will come. So at this time, at this situation, we must use the formula method. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus of 3, and c is also minus of 1. Let us use the formula. What is that formula by the formula method? You know very well. X is equals to minus of b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. This is the formula, quadratic formula. Then let us substitute. X is equals to minus of b is nothing but minus 3. This is minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square. B square is nothing but minus 3 square minus of 4ac. A is nothing but 1 and c is nothing but minus of 1 divided by 2a, that is 2 in the bracket, a is nothing but 1 is it. This becomes x is equals to minus of minus plus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 square is nothing but plus of 9 minus of minus plus 4 ones are 4 divided by 2. At last, what we can say, see here this will becomes x is equals to 3 plus or minus root of 9 plus 4 is nothing but 13 divided by 2. This is the final answer. Further, if you want, you can separate like this: 1 3 plus root 13 by 2, and another also, that is 3 minus root 13 divided by 2. So this is the solution of the first question. Let us see what about the second question. The second question is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7, which is equals to 11 by 30. 11 by 30. So this is the question. Let's see how to solve this. What we have to do first thing is, we need to take the LCM of these two. That let me take like this. Both of the multiplication itself is the LCM. X plus 4, x minus of 7. This is the LCM. Both of them. Then this you need to cross it here. X minus 7 ones are x minus 7. Whenever minus, keep the bracket in next. Then these you have to cross it here. X plus 4 ones are x plus 4 bracket close, which is equals to 11 by 30. This is the first step. After that, let's solve the denominator as well as numerator. Denominators here: x into x square, x into minus 7, that is minus 7x, plus 4 into x, 4x, plus into minus 4 7s are 20. This is the denominator. What about the numerator? First two terms as it is, then minus sign take, multiply inside, minus of x minus of 4, which is equals to 11 by 30. Then you should see the like terms can be cancelled. If they are having plus and minus sign, here plus x, minus x get cancelled. So what left here? Minus 7 minus 4, minus of 11. So here these two, minus of 11 divided by x square. These two solve, minus 7x plus 4x gives us minus of 3x, then minus of 28, which is equals to 11 by 30. Then what shall I do next? Equal sign is there, 11 ones are, so here minus of 1 is left. So this I will cross it this side, minus of 30, which is equals to these three I will cross it this side, it becomes x square minus 3x minus of 20. Now let me arrange in proper form these three terms I will write first. X square minus 3x minus 28, then this I will shift it to the other side. It becomes plus of 30, which is equals to 0. Last, see these two further we can solve and it becomes x square minus of 3x plus 2, which is equals to 0. Now we can get the roots by the factorization. Let us see how to factorize this. What is the equation that? X square minus 3x plus of 2, which is equals to 0. So multiply first and last term, it becomes 2x square. Then what about the factors of 2x square? 2x and 1x. This is the minus 3, so it becomes minus 2x minus of 1x. We have to replace on the place of minus 3x, it becomes x square minus 2x minus 1x plus of 2, which is equals to 0. Then let us take factors in this 2. X as a common, inside x minus 2, leave some gap, then write same which you have written, x minus 2, which is equals to 0. Then in these 2 take as minus 1 as common. Then further these two are same, take one more time common as x minus 2 is equals to 0. And this is the another, that is x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then this becomes x is equals to 2 and this becomes x is equals to 1. So these are the two roots of this equation, 2 and 1.